Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Basavara Jabbar. In this video, we are going to know about applications of probability. What is probability and its applications? Introduction to probability. Probability is the branch of mathematics that deals with uncertainty and likelihood. It is widely used in various fields such as statistics, finance, medicine, and gaming. Understanding probability helps in making informed decisions and predicting outcomes accurately. Next one is basic probability concepts. Probability is expressed as the number between 0 and 1, where 0 represents impossibility and 1 represents certainty. The sample space is set of possible outcomes in experiment. The event is subset of sample space representing a specific outcome or a combination of outcomes. In this picture we can see event and its probability. Definition: a subset E of outcome is called as event E. Probability of event: the basic formula is P of E equal to total number of outcomes in a event E divided by total number of outcome in a sample space S, which is N of E divided by N of S. And this is an example for probability. Calculating probability using the classical method. The classical method is used when all outcomes are equally likely. The probability of an event A is calculated as a number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. In this picture we can see the classical approach, which the formula is P of E equal to favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Example is flipping coin or rolling dice. Calculating probability using the relative frequency method. The relative frequency method is used when there is a larger number of trial or experiments. The probability of an event A is estimated by dividing the number of times event A occur by total number of trials. Calculating probability using the subjective method. The subjective method is based on personal judgment or belief. It is often used when there is a lack of data or when the outcomes are difficult to quantify. Subjective probability is assigned based on individual knowledge, experience, or institution. Complementary events. The complement of an event A, denoted as A, is the event that A does not occur. The sum of probabilities of an event and its complement is always equal to 1. That is, P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. Additional rule. The additional rule is used to calculate the probability of union of two or more events. It is P of A or B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. The probability of intersection of two events is subtracted to avoid the double counting. Next one is multiplication rule. The multiplication rule is used to calculate the probability of intersection of two or more independent events. P of A and B is equal to P of A. P of B is A and B are independent events. Next is conditional probability. So, conditional probability is the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. P of A or B equal to P of A and B, but P of B, where P of A and B is probability of both events occurring. Conditional probability helps in updating probabilities based on the new information. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is used to update the probability of an event based on the new evidence or information. Probability in medical diagnosis. Probability is used in medical diagnosis to estimate the likelihood of disease or condition. It helps in interpreting diagnostic test results and determine the accuracy of the test. Probability in weather forecasting. Probability is used in weather forecasting to predict the likelihood of different weather conditions. It helps in determine the chance of rain, snow, and or other weather events. Statistical model and historical data are used in calculate the update and probabilities. Probability in gaming and gambling. Probability is the foundation of gaming and gambling. It helps in determine the odds of winning and expected payouts. Coins and bookmarks use probability to set the odds and ensure profitabilities. Probability in quality control. Probability is used in quality control to access the reliability and performance of products. It helps in determining the probability of defects and failures. Statistical process control and acceptance sampling techniques are used to monitor and improve qualities. Conclusion. Probability is a powerful tool for understanding certainty and making informed decisions. It has wide range of applications in various fields including finance, medicine, weather forecasting and gaming. Understanding probability concepts and techniques is essential for problem solving and critical thinking. Thank you for watching.